so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here. But
hi guys, it's Kayyy and welcome back to my channel. So in today's look, I came back with another video using the Kylie Cosmetics and Jordyn palette. This is the original look that I had filmed and I just didn't really like the footage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video and you like me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the team. And after you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. So if y'all have any requests for any type of videos that y'all want me to film or that y'all want to see from me, feel free to leave a comment in the comments below. And I am going to try to do a Halloween look before October. Like, I want that to be my next video, is a Halloween look. So hopefully, if all goes well, that will be my next video. It's a Halloween look. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So starting off, I'm going to take the Kylie and Jordyn palette and I'm going to go in with Wife Life. And I'm going to be using this as a transition color. So I'm going to be applying this on, I think this is a Morphe 504 brush, a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to be just using this to blend out in my crease. Next shade I'm going to be taking in the palette is called Soulmate, and I'm going to be using this on the same blending brush and just using this to deepen up my crease. We are going for a halo eye, so this is just the starter point. So the next shade I'm going to be going in is My Heart from the palette. So I'm going to be taking this on the outer part of my eye. And I'm going to be really building this color up. And then I'm going to be putting it on the inner corner of my eye. But I'm leaving the center blank for the halo part. So this is the part I'm talking about. So now I'm about to take the shadow on the inner part of my eye. And I'm going to be doing the same thing that I was on the outer part, just on the inner part.
time surely tells if it's true. Oh yeah, that I might see myself up for you. You make me feel something more than I've felt before. You make me feel something more for sure.
Next I'm going to be going in with the shade I Love You Bitch, and I'm going to be taking this like closer on the outer part, like not, I don't know how to explain this. So as you see, like I'm taking it like inward a little bit, using this to like deepen it up to add more depth to the eyeshadow look.
Take a trip. Time surely tells if it's true. Oh yeah, that I might see myself
here I'm going to take my Anastasia Concealer, and I'm going to be using this to carve out the halo. So as you see, I'm starting off in the middle. It's just like doing a cut crease, but you're just not cutting your crease, if that makes sense. But when you're doing this, again, take your time. My clip is sped up so it looks like I'm moving faster than what I really am. But just take your time. And I'm also going to do the other eye off camera. So here I'm just taking the Hourglass translucent powder, and I'm just using that to set where I carved out the halo. So I'm going to be taking the shade Love You Bitch, and I'm just going to be using this to blend out the outer corners. I just don't want it to look like bam, I just put on the lid shade. Like, I want it to transition and to blend in together. So for my lid shade, I'm going in with Marry Me. This color is so pretty. Like, I don't even know if my camera is doing it justice. And the shade is really soft. So I'm using my finger to apply the shade, and then I'm going to get a brush to like get closer to the edge with the shadow. So next I went in with Wild Love just to add on top of Marry Me, just to give it a little bit more color. So here I'm going to be taking the Tarte Maneater liner, and I'm just going to be creating a wing. I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm just using this to coat my lashes for the false lashes. So here I'm going in with the MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm also going to be using the Fenty Beauty Primer for my T-zone area. Here I'm going in with my Loreal Pro Glow Foundation. I forget the shade, but it will be listed down below. You make me feel something more than I felt before. You make me feel something more for sure. So after I blended out my foundation, I applied my falsies. I didn't really show you where I got them from because I got them off AliExpress, and there's really no point because I don't really remember the vendor I got them from. So yeah, those are my lashes. I will try to find the vendor and list it down below, but if I can't, I'm sorry. So here I'm taking my favorite concealer of all time. I think it's better than Tarte Tape Shade, the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I'm just using this to highlight the highest points of my face. So underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and my cupid's bow.
So far away, but my tongue could slip. Yeah. My affection on holiday, so let's take a trip. Time surely.
So for contour, I'm gonna take my Smashbox contour stick and foundation, and I'm just using this to contour my nose, my jawline, underneath my lip, and my forehead.
You make me feel something, something more than I felt before. You make me feel something, something more for sure.
My camera did stop recording, so here I'm applying my highlight, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. But the part that it started recording on was I applied my setting powder, which I used the DermaBlend setting powder to set my face, and I also went in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. But here I'm just taking the highlighter and I'm using this to highlight my brow bone, and then I'm going to take the same shades that I applied on my eyes to smoke out my bottom lash line. So I'm going in with the shade Soulmate on my bottom line, and then I'm going to take my heart to smoke it out a little bit more.
Time surely tells if it's true. Oh yeah, that I might see myself all for you.
So here I'm going to take the Huda Beauty lip liner, and I think this is Trendsetter. If I'm not sure, I will have it listed down below. And I'm using this to line my lips.
Than I felt before. You make me feel something, something more for sure.
Then I'm going in with Dose of Color Stone. I think that's this lip shade, and I'm just applying this onto my lips. That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
My confession.